Good morning, students. So today, from standard 6 English medium subject English grammar, chapter number 17. The title of the chapter is types of sentences. We have discussed about this chapter, types of sentences, 4 types of sentences: affirmative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay. So now it's a exercise of this chapter. Here given is the instruction. Let's see the instruction given. Rewrite the sentences following the instructions given. Okay, there are sentences here on board. I have written on it. After the sentence is in the bracket given the instruction, we follow the instruction and change according to the instruction given in the bracket. So let's see. The first sentence is here given. Mithu goes shopping with her sister. Okay, the sentence is Mithu goes shopping with her sister, and in the bracket the instruction is what? Negative. So what we do? We change the sentence according to the given instruction in the bracket. What we do? We make the negative sentence of the given sentence. So first we identify the tense. Which tense is it? Here the verb is given go and adding es, so shows that it's a simple present tense sentence. Verb is given main verb. Okay, so what we write? We make the sentence negative by adding do not or does not before the verb and after the subject. So what we do? First we know what we write, do not or does not. So whenever you see the subject is singular, then you write does not. If we do not know subject is singular, plural goes with the verb. If the verb after that adding s or es, then we write does not. So what we write here? Mithu, then write does not. What? Does not. Then if we make the negative sentence, we remove the es and write only the main verb. So main verb is go. So Mithu does not go shopping. Shopping with whom? With her sister. Okay, so the first sentence here formed Mithu does not go shopping with her sister. Now comes to the second sentence. See here. Do your friends study Italian in school? It's a interrogative sentence and last the symbol of question. Okay. Do your friends study Italian in school? And in the bracket given the instruction is here affirmative. Means positive sentence. It's given the interrogative sentence, and what we do? We change this sentence from interrogative into affirmative. So what we do? First we find the subject and verb. So it's a yes no question. What? Yes no question. Starting with do. After do is a subject. Subject is plural. Your friends. Here given the friends, not one friend, singular friend, but more than one. Then the verb, then the other word. So what we write? First we write the subject. Subject is your friends. Then here given the verb, your friends study. Which language? Italian in school and at last full stop. So shows that it's a affirmative sentence. Okay, we have changed it. Your friends study Italian in school. Now comes to the third. Does Ali play cricket? Question mark. So which sentence is it? It is an interrogative sentence. And the instruction given is negative. What is the instruction here given? Negative. So what we do? We make this sentence in negative. We cannot change this sentence into interrogative negative. It's here given the simple instruction given here only negative. So first we write this subject. What is the subject? Ali. So we write Ali. We know what we write here. Make negative. So it's a does already is given. So after does we add not. So here Ali does not. Then here write the verb and object. It's a simple. Ali does not play cricket. Okay? It's here. The instruction given negative. If the instruction is given in the bracket interrogative negative, then what we do? After does we add not. Means doesn't Ali play cricket. It's an interrogative negative. But the instruction is given here only make the change the sentence into negative. So we write the first subject, then do or does whatever here given, then verb with other words or object. Here given the object, so we write object. Okay. Now number 4. Doesn't your school finish at 3 o'clock? It's a interrogative sentence. And what we do? Make it the sentence into affirmative sentence. What? Affirmative sentence. See the second one, affirmative, affirmative. Second and fourth. It's a interrogative sentence both. Okay? So simple. We remove this does not. In the second sentence we do the same. We remove do and write the afterwards subject, verb, object or other words. So first what we write here, we write the subject. What is the subject? Your school. Your school. Okay. See here given your friends. So subject is here plural. That is why we write the verb as given in the sentence. Same we write as answer. Okay. So here the subject is not plural. Here given the subject is singular. Your school. School is singular. One school. So here write the verb finish. Okay. It's a interrogative. Negative interrogative. So we add. It's a simple present tense. So we add s or es. If the last letter of the verb s, double s, sh, es, double s, sh, o and s, then we add what? Es. So it's a sh given. So we write here es after the verb. Okay. Your school finishes at 3 o'clock. Okay. It's a affirmative sentence. Then comes to the fifth one. Mrs. Verma lives near our house. What? Negative. What we do? Negative. See the verb, main verb after adding s. Live is the main verb. L-I-V-E. Okay. So after that e. So it's a simple present tense sentence. So we write first Mrs. Verma. Then what we write? Already I have told you when we go to the first, we write the first sentence. If the verb with s or es, what we write? Does not. So here also we write does not, because here the singular name is given Mrs. Verma. Then we write does not. Then comes the verb. When we write does not, we remove s or es. So what we do here? We remove only s. Okay. We do not remove es, only s, because the main verb is live. L-I-V-E. So Mrs. Verma does not live near our house. Full stop. Negative sentence. Does not. Then comes to the sixth one. Change this interrogative, negative interrogative into affirmative. See, the sentence is doesn't she have a beautiful dog? Question mark. It's a simple present tense sentence. Okay, affirmative. So what we write? Remove this doesn't. We find already the subject she is given, and this is the third person singular. Okay, the pronoun third person singular is given. So according to the subject we write here has. Okay, she has, after has the remaining words a beautiful dog. Affirmative, she has a beautiful dog. Then comes to the 7. Do you complete your homework before dinner? Interrogative sentence is given, and this interrogative will change into affirmative. So remove these yes no questions, the word do, then already we find the subject here given you, then the verb complete remain same, second person here singular given you complete your homework before dinner. This is the affirmative sentence. We already now changed. Now comes to number 8. My father teaches mathematics. And what we do? We make negative. It's very easy. Already we make negatives. How many sentences? 3 sentences you already made it. Now comes to this fourth one. Okay, number 8 here. So what we write? We write first subject, my father. Okay, and see the verb. After the verb given es is a simple present tense. So its a main verb is teach. Then what we write? We write does not. Then the main verb is teach. Okay, my father does not teach what? Mathematics. What? Mathematics. So students, this is the exercise of unit 17. Types of sentences is the chapter name, and this is the exercise. I hope you understand how to change the sentences according to the instruction given in the